Hey everyone, I wanted to do a different type of video for me today. I am going to be packing up this Happy Mail for a new pen pal of mine. By the time this video goes up, she will have received this package, so no spoilers. But yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to show you this type of video. I've never done it before, but my crafty friends do it all the time, Danny and Sabrina, and I thought, why not? Let me show you what I made. I don't have a video for the handmade project, so I thought this was a good way to show you, and at the same time I'll show you how I'm packaging it. So I just added some of these crinkly bits at the bottom. So she contacted me because she wanted to be pen pals, and we've both been following each other for a while now, so I thought, why not? And this is what I put together. So I had the idea of creating these like little pockets that we can exchange and maybe put them in our memory keeping albums. And I got this idea from Shara, I think that's how you say your name, on Instagram. It's this whole new thing going around called flat mail, which is basically these little pockets that you alter. My friend Sabrina Ann made a ton of these in the past for all sorts of holidays, Christmas, Halloween, summer. So I'll link her channel down below if you want to check it out. Basically they're just like stuffed pockets or like loaded pockets or whatever, but the idea is to keep them flat so that they can ship in like an envelope and not really use a bubble mailer, but I'm going to be using a box anyway. So this is what I did. I just took some white cardstock. Oh shoot, it's getting dirty. It's like textured, and I have a sewing machine, but I don't really know how to use it, so it would have been nice to have it sewed, but it's okay. This is a paper from my Summer Babe collection I put for the background. Then I used a lot of scraps, Maggie Holmes. All of this over here is from the Good Vibes from crepe paper, and this is like an old scrap. And then I doubled up some trim, so I doubled it up here and then the bottom here, and then I added some of these hard enamels that I got from my friend Danny. And then this is like a paper clip that I made, I think, over a year ago, so I thought it'd be cute to add some extra detail up here. And then I have my card with my note and my letters in here. This is a card I made a while back, so I'm just going to have that in here. And inside there's also some goodies and stickers and whatnot. So yeah, another thing I'm going to be giving her is this mini pocket letter that I made a long time ago, maybe 2 years ago. If you guys want to see this tutorial, I'll have a link down below. It's one of my favorites. There's like a little shaker that's really cute. I use this boutique image, so it kind of shows her my style, my love for girly and creepy cute things as well. So I wanted to include that for her, and it just filled up with some goodies in the back. So yeah, if you want to see the tutorial, like I said, I'll link it down below. I think it's really cute. So let's get started with the packaging. Put this first. Everything's pretty lightweight, so it shouldn't be. I'm not really gonna package everything because like I don't want to take up too much room. I have this little baggie full of die cuts, and this is like a Lush pamphlet thing that I wanted to just kind of use as a background paper, but it turns out it kind of looks like part of the ephemera pack, so she can throw it out if she wants. Added some of like a little shaker sequin mix in there that she can save once she takes out all the bits and bobs. So I wanted to add some snacks from Montreal in Canada. It's like, this is so lame. I found these like loony chocolates and I thought they were funny, so I thought, why not? It's cute, why not? And I kept the packaging here. I mean, I could take them out of the bag and whatever, but I'll just keep it like that. If you guys are from Canada and you know these gums, right? I don't think you guys have them in the States. Correct me if I'm wrong, but these are hilarious because the packaging says it still tastes like soap. I don't even know if she's gonna like these, but I used to eat these all the time as a kid. One of those 25-cent like candy vending machine things. I didn't think they taste like soap, but apparently still tastes like soap. They do have a particular taste. I'm not gonna lie, these do have a funny taste. To me, I don't think it tastes like soap, but it does taste funny. But it's good. It's a good funny, so I hope she likes them. I don't know, I thought it'd be fun. And she likes dill pickle, so I'm like, hey, why not give you some dill pickle chips? One of my favorites. I don't know if you guys, I don't think you guys have this either. My friends in the States told me that you don't have dill pickle or ketchup or all dressed, so I'm going to be sharing these from now on in all my Happy Mail with my friends because I want them to try it out. This is one of my favorite kinds. So yeah, I mean, I guess it fits okay. I'm reusing an Amazon box. I just don't want it to be like the first thing she sees is a bag of chips. I'm not sure if I should. I don't know. Let's see. Let me try this. See what I can do. Maybe I could do layers. Okay, so I have this tissue paper. This way it'll protect the bottom half. Let me, hold on, take some of these crinkly bits out so I can put it on the top layer. Right, so that goes like this. Hope you enjoy this video. Alright, so that's better, right? I think so. So she gets the treats, first layer of treats, and then the goodies on the bottom, the handmade goodies on the bottom. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be adding this tissue paper, make it stuffed a little bit more, and that's it. I know the box is really ugly, but that's okay. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna tape it up, put her address, and I'm gonna ship it out. So I hope she enjoys. I hope you also enjoyed this video and a look at my handmade project. If you want to see more videos like this, maybe I'll do some more in the future, but click the like button so I know you like this kind of content. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm back making videos, and yeah, thank you again for subscribing to me. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, just leave them down below. Have a great day, guys. Bye.